Now in this video is where I took my idea of making a knife blank and modeled it in Fusion 360. Now I just found a knife picture that was online after I liked the look of it and sketched everything out. That's when I would extrude it into a 3D model. Now in Fusion you can actually go back and change your sketches or your models, and this is very useful for prototyping, or you might just not like something and you can change it over. Now in the bottom right corner is where I started to take the 3D model that just got finished and actually trace out the parts, and then take the plasma cutter and cut that out. Now the plasma cutter that I'm using is an Eastwood plasma cutter. You can also take just a grinder with a cutoff wheel and cut it out, but this was much easier and faster. Now right here was the progress of just grinding everything down and cleaning it up. And I would just clean up any rust or imperfections that were in it. Now this was the first time doing this, so it's always something different to test out. And I also took the 3D model and took it to the cut piece just to make sure that I didn't go either too big or too small. And I also cut different sizes and different, just like freehand grinding. So I could experiment with a progress of going from something that was scrap to something that's actually usable. Now I didn't know about the different type of steels, so I'm actually using the raw metal, but this was a first attempt to prototyping something, 3D printing it, and seeing where it would go from there. Now just around here is where I started to sand with sandpaper, and I went from a lower grit to a higher grit, and it really didn't polish it like how everybody else that does it professionally, but it was a start to see from progress from start to finish. So if you would like more updates on DIY or how-to videos, please like, subscribe, and comment.